In this video, I'm going to go over how to assemble your foldable walker from OasisSpace. Don't worry if you're not a handyman, they make it super simple and quick. Step number one is unfolding the handles. They're already assembled for you, so you literally just need to unfold them and you're good to go. Step number two is putting on the front wheels. They slide into place. You can adjust them to whatever height you want and then just pop in the pin and they'll be secure and on the walker. Step number three, which is getting those back legs on. This is the same process as the front wheels. Just slide them into place, get them to the right height, and pop the pin in. They do have different bottoms that you can put on there. Right now I have the sleds on here, and they also supply you with cloth that you can stick to the bottom so it'll slide across your floor better if you want to do that. Now on to the final step, which is installing the extra bars for stability. They supply you with the bolts, so just slide that bar into place, screw them in, and you're good to go. And just like that, your walker is fully assembled. This took me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to put together. It was really simple, which I appreciate. Overall, I'm super happy with this product. I give it 2 thumbs up.